Hello everyone, welcome to Yvonne's Crochet channel. Christmas is coming. It's time to make some gifts for your friends and families. The first one is the elegant patterned coaster. Here is the 2 coaster set with the colorful yarns. This beautiful flower pot has YouTube video tutorials. This set of pot holders is so cute and also be the decoration to your kitchen. This 3D flower coaster is so easy to make. You can also change the yarn color, best for these cozy seasons. The other idea is scrunchy. It's easy and fast to make. You can use a regular yarn and a velvet yarn. This keychain is so useful and can be customized. This currant rose flower is so creative. You can put some essential oil to make your car smell good. This flat Christmas tree is a great idea for your gift box outside and also be your ornament for your Christmas tree. Here's 2 types of stockings, which will make your living room so cozy. If you want to make a small Christmas tree, you can use these easy patterns with 1 crochet skills. You can also put some lights on. This is another type with a foam cone inside. This small flower pot is so decorative. Can be a great gift. This granny square pouch, you can put the iPod inside or with some candy inside. For the people who love reading, you can make these bookmarks for them. There are 3 types: hearts, flower, and cat. They're so cute. There's also another kind of corner bookmark. There's some bottle sleeves ideas. First is a reindeer. It's great for Christmas time. There is another 2 left is easy free patterns. The right side is a Christmas tree. Here's another tulip sleeves idea. For the mugs, you can try this easy pattern. This cute bunny head plate can store your ring and necklace. Next is the keychain. First is Lily of Valley. It's very easy to make. And another one is a strawberry and puff flower. This one is a lace project. You can make it to the bracelet. For the winter time, the best project is to make this warm stuff like gloves, socks, and beanies and scarves. These are free patterns. This air warmer is a quick project if you don't have enough time. For people who love flowers, you can make this rose, tulips, such as flowers. It's bloomed forever. It's a great decoration also. The other idea is the stream catcher. It's a great heartful gift. This sofa caddy is so useful. You can store controller and books inside. It's a great organizer. All the free patterns links will be in the description below. Please check it out. Thanks for watching.